So a lot of times, especially in large environments, it can be hard to know exactly where are my entry points. So we have this check AI suggestions. And we've kind of made a really cool new advancement here. So what we found is that generally speaking, when a set of clients is connecting to an application, they're going to be coming from the same subnet or the same set of subnets. It could be something like virtual desktops, maybe, that are all in Azure. So here we have our Azure One subnet, and we know that these virtual desktops tend to access a certain set of applications that we want to find. Or maybe we know it's also users from the Wi-Fi subnet might be trying to access a certain set of applications. So now what we can do is we can select those subnets, and then the AI will select a set of entry points based on the subnets that the clients are in, giving us a lot more kind of granularity and be able to define down exactly what application entry points I'm looking for. So we know my clients reside in these subnets. These would be the possible application entry points that these clients would use. And then at that point, all you have to do is just, give it a click select. We can just give it a name and then create the map. And it begins creating the map. Looks like this one's a very simple map. But that's a cool new feature when it comes to the AI suggested entry points and being able to define down more granularly where your maps start, kind of giving you that starting place for you, kind of taking the guesswork out of it.